Right, back live tonight on In Focus. Municipal Workers Union Samwu is taking to the Constitutional Court to challenge the Municipal Systems Amendment Act signed into law last year. The legislation bans municipal workers from holding political party positions at branch, regional, provincial and national level. For more on this, we're joined now by Samwu's General Secretary, Dumisani Magagula. Good to have you, Baba, and thank you very much for your time. I suppose at the heart of what this amendment seeks to do is what they call the depoliticization of the public service, right? So by that assumption, I'm asking Samwu, are you in support of that view of depoliticization, or are you not? And if you are in support, why would you be challenging this particular amendment?
Okay. Thank you very much and good evening to your viewers. Firstly, as Samwu, we are for the view of professionalization of local government and public sector, not necessarily depoliticization, because we don't know what that means. I mean, it's something is a misnomer that there would be life without politics. So we are opposed to anything that infringes on the right of citizens to participate in political parties.
So, for example, I mean, part of those who are for this, they say, if you see the situation now in Tshwane, and there is a DA mayor, well, that's returning pretty much, but what would then ensue, for example, in the situation that we saw in Johannesburg, when the power changed hands, when the DA came in, the workers at the municipality, who are the officials, felt that now the DA is coming to purge because they are politically affiliated with a particular organization. So if we depoliticize that space, we level the playing field so that whether at the political level there is a changing of power, those who are officials, they continue to work and they are unaffected by whatever changes are happening at the top.
Yeah, what we are for, Thabo, even in the situation in Tshwane, is a clear demarcation between political office and administration in the municipality. There could be changes in terms of which political party is running a municipality, but if there is no overbearance of politicians in the administration of the municipality, the administration of the municipality and the municipality will continue to operate without interruption because it is a professional municipality. So that's why we say as municipal workers, we are for professionalization. We don't know what depoliticization means because everything has politics in it. But what is in this bill currently is municipal workers and all municipal workers not being allowed to participate in politics. So what the amendment bill says is a municipal worker cannot become a political office bearer or an official of a political party if they are working for a municipality. As is now, municipal workers are sitting with notices from municipal managers that say you either resign from a municipality or you resign from a political party. What this means is we are going to become a depoliticized society, or a society that is not allowed to partake in any political party, which is something that is not going to be a reality of South Africa going forward.
Yeah. Is the call to resign from your political party, or is the call to resign from holding positions such as Secretary General, such as Chairperson, such as the official, I suppose, top 6 positions in certain organizations? You can continue to be a member of a political party, I would presume.
Yes. Look, participating in a political party begins by being a member of a political party. But if I'm a part of an organization, I should be able to participate up to a point where I lead in the political party. Otherwise, there is no point why I would be a member that does not have a decisive role in any political party. So the call that you should resign as an office holder of a political party actually means that you are limited in terms of the extent of participation in a political party. The next thing they're going to tell you is if you vote within internally in a political party, you are then not allowed to be a public servant. This is where this thing is going if it is not kept. So we do not believe that these amendments are serving the rights of citizens in any manner.
Yeah. So, for example, one of the issues that arose yesterday from those who call themselves members of a government of local unity is that the Speaker of Tshwane yesterday, for example, called for a special city. And not the Speaker, sorry, the city manager of Tshwane has called for a special city. And they were arguing that the city manager is an official. He should be focusing on his professional duties and not coming into the politics of this matter and what the political parties are fighting. He should have been focusing on running the city of Tshwane and doing the work that he needs to be doing there and make sure that the service delivery. But because he's politicized and he's a political being, he got brought into this issue to come and fight a political battle. Do you think that the Tshwane Metro would have been better served by a city manager who is going to say, well, I'm not going to get into the politics because I'm not political. I'm just a professional here, an accounting officer who needs to look at what is happening as far as the administration of this metro is concerned?
Look, the statement that says I'm not going to get into politics would be a political statement itself because it would serve another faction or another political party. So that's where the challenge is. It can be interpreted in any manner. But what is happening with the amendments is there is a part of the amendments that we understood before these new amendments that said the executive mayor can be a political or party office bearer, but the administrator and an executive administrator in the form of a municipal manager and a director in the municipality cannot become a political office holder. The effect of that is the executive mayor should be able to hold the administrator accountable. But where the administrator or the accounting officer in a municipality is also a political office bearer or an office bearer in a political party, they may not listen to the executive mayor either because they are their senior at a political party or they are an office holder of a political party different to what the executive mayor is a member of. And as a result, they want to push their own mandate. At that level, we understand because the municipal manager has a decisive role. They have a role to take a decision. Decision-making lies with them. But a general worker, a sweeper, a street sweeper, a security officer, a truck driver, does not have any decisive power in a municipality. They can participate in politics as much as they want to, and even to an extent of leading a political party without their right being infringed because they are a municipal worker.
Magagula, appreciate your time. Thanks so much for coming on tonight. Samwu's General Secretary there.
Thank you.
Dumisani Magagula, and why they are challenging amendments to that Municipal Act.